I want to send this message to Senator Asiwaju Ahmad Bola Tîñúbü. If you are giving money to northern governors, I want to advise you to please keep your money and stop giving it to them, because they are not succeeding in convincing northerners that you are competent and you have any plan for the north. Of course, you don't have any plan for the north. You went to Kano, you told Kano people that you went there to dance. The whole of Kano, the most densely populated state in the whole of Africa, you are telling them you just go there to dance. You don't have any plan for them. So we are not comfortable with you. You went to Bauchi, you only dance. You couldn't speak up your mind. You couldn't express yourself. You couldn't point out your plans for them. You couldn't even bring any policy, plan, blueprint. You don't have anything for us. We are not going to vote for you. So these governors are not succeeding in convincing northerners to vote for you. Even though you have picked up a Muslim as your running mate, even if you are to pick our most respected Muslim personality, somebody of, permit me to say, His Royal Highness, our father, Sultan Abubakar of Sokoto, even if you are to pick him, I know he's not going to accept being your running mate, he's too big for that. Even if you pick somebody of that caliber, we are still not going to vote for you, because we don't believe in APC. APC have destroyed northern economy, APC have destroyed northern security, APC have put this country in a big mess. We are not just comfortable with APC, and anything that has to do with APC in the north, it's a no for us. We are not going to vote for you. So kuma wannan kudin da kuke kwadayi na gurin Tinubun nan bi iznillahi da bin kun karba ba zai muku amfani ba. In Allah din ku karba ba zai muku amfani ba. Duk matsalar da muke da ita na rashin tsaro a arewa, a ce yau gwamnonin mu na arewa ku taba hada kanku kun je kun zauna da Buhari kun tattauna akai ba, kuma an kawo maslaha sai akan bukatan kanku zo lokacin da ku san barin gwamnati saboda kun raina mu, to wallahi ba za mu yi Tinubun ba. Ba za mu yi Tinubun ba. Ba za mu yi Tinubun ba.